Yes, guys, let's check out the villa. Yeah, so this is the villa that I'll be showing you around. Actually, that is just the door next to the kitchen. Now, this is the best part. This is the dining set where you can chill with your friends and family. Actually, it's so spacious and beautiful, and the breeze here, everything that you'd want, especially when the weather is so warm and sunny. You just want the breeze. This sitting area, so beautiful. Just see the decor, and so comfortable. You can just relax there while taking your drinks or meals. Yeah, so beautiful and spacious. Yeah, you can also see the pool as you're seated on this end. And also on this side there are charging area, so you can just charge your phones while seated. Let's walk down to the pool. Also love swimming. This is your area. Actually, this pool, it's not that deep, so for me it was a plus, considering most of the pools in this area, they are so deep. So this one was just good for me. Yeah, as you go to the room, there's a balcony where you can see the pool down there. Yeah, there's a tree here. It is for, if you know mabuyu, this is the mabuyu tree. Yeah, I was told. Then you can see there's another pool over there, but that one is for the neighboring villa. Yeah, actually this place is so cool, the view, everything. And you can walk from this balcony. Yeah, you can walk from this balcony as you chill and see. Let's get to the room. This room is so big and spacious. That's why I love it so much. Yeah, the storage area, no small spaces in this room. Everything is just on point. Then there's this bookshelf where you can pick any book like you want to read. Yeah, those who like reading, you're sorted. There are so many books here. You can take any and read while enjoying the view outside or just on these beautiful couches here, the two of them. You can read, you can work, you can chill, meditate as you're just seated, seeing your bed. Yeah, I already disarranged this thing, so it's supposed to be like this. Yeah, and yeah, perfect position. Yeah, just see. Especially if you have someone, maybe your lover, your sister, or someone, you can just have a talk while seated. Then there's this this area, there's a mirror. Just ignore those things there. Yeah, hi. And then you can do your makeup, your things on this mirror. It's so amazing. And then now the best part, the bed area. It's so big. Then I like the way this mosquito net has been placed. It's nowhere near you, so it's just protecting you from the mosquito without touching you. Yeah, beautiful bed. Let's see. And they see there, so the temperatures you can control them. Yeah, don't mind the way the bed is spread because I just woke up. Yeah, I'll make it better later, but for now just enjoy the view, the big bed. There's lights, the lights or lamp. Yeah, beautiful, beautiful space. Yeah, the washroom area. No, actually, first, I don't know about this door, but there's this walking closet over here. Let's see. Yeah, so many closets where you can store all your clothes if you want. Then the washroom, the toilet, and the bathroom. They are so big. And this is a bucket for laundry. Yep. There's this big mirror. Hello. Yeah. Can come dress here, do anything that you want over there on the mirror. The toilet. I like these things that they put on the top. I don't know about it, but it's just a good one. This is the bathroom. Yep, still the wood on the roof. So amazing. And the floor is actually wooden, if you've noticed. So cool. Can't be cold. Yes, just see the view of the room. So beautiful. Yes, if you like the room, let me know. This is the end, guys. Bye. Thank you.